Can you make me a couch?
What, Noah?
Okay.
I can't.
Why?
I need internet. And good internet. Can't use bad internet. Move. 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 Move, ugly.
What are you doing? Going outside? I'll quit going in and out.
She's a bitch. Okay, guys. So, gotta show you guys something. Leaving a bird nasty. My cat killed this bird and its head is missing. She also killed this one. Well, this one was alive a little bit. Then it died. Get back. You're not eating her. Hit him. Get back, fucking whore. I gotta pick it up. Gotta throw it away. I just picked up a bird with no head. That's disgusting. Does it have a head? Oh my god, this one has a head. This one, it's so soft, guys. So soft. So soft, but it's just messed up. You're a whore, you know that. You're pregnant again, and then you killed the birds. 2 birds that probably were twins or something, but you can't tell because the bird is dead. It's gone. But I'm putting this one back inside since that's where they had it. And you like my pumpkin? It says, well, somewhere on it says Aloha Akbar with 3 bombs under it, and it has that on it. I didn't draw those, my friend did, but yeah. 2 dead birds. So sad. Oh, it's decaying. Nah, I'm just gonna throw this one away. Never mind. Actually, no, we'll not throw it away, but it's sad. Okay, just sad. How that stupid whore. You're not eating them. I'm throwing them in the backyard. You're not eating them. There's food inside. I don't know why you want to eat birds. You're not even a wild cat. Got you from somebody. Don't know why you want to eat 2 dead birds. I don't want to throw the one that actually has a head away because it's like it's still sleeping. But I know it's dead. Fine, I'll sit you down slowly. Look at them. It just sucks. It just makes you want a pet bird. They don't have rabies. Well, I don't think the one with the head does. The one without the head probably does. My cat probably has rabies now. Ate its freaking head. It's disgusting. Yeah, what you looking for, you dumbass? You're not getting them. Stupid whore. Shut up. Yeah, that's why you're looking for the birds. That's why it's gone, you dummy. They're in the big trash cans.